Tonight, crews were responding to a report of a fire in the Allwood Trailer Park. On arrival, we had heavy flame, embers floating, and flames going up and candling on trees in the park.
How tough of a fire was it to fight?
It wasn't tough to fight. It was just the condition of the fire at the time made it important to put it out quick.
Now, did you guys put water on the adjacent buildings?
Yeah, we had some exposures of all on the George Ferguson side, and crews were able to protect that exposure with a monitor.
Now, have you guys had problems at Allwood with fires before?
Well, Allwood's an abandoned trailer park that's scripted to be demolished. There's still a bunch of abandoned trailers that hopefully in the near future they'll be removing. But so, yeah, we have had a few fires in the past here.
How dangerous is it this time of year?
This time of year it's incredibly dangerous. Today we've had a lot of fires due to smoky material and grass, brush, bark mulch. So yeah, it is a fairly high fire risk right now.
What would you remind motorists to do right now, just because of the high fire risk?
Well, I just like to ask everybody to dispose of their smoky materials appropriately and to just be cautious because it is dry out there.